Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Google Drive with ClickUp. Let's get started. First, go to your web and search for clickup.com. Once you're here, click on the login button if you already have an account. But if you don't have an account yet, click on sign up. Once you're logged in, you will be directed to ClickUp dashboard. Now in here, on the left side of the screen, click more. A pop-up window will show. Click on integrations. Now in here, if you can see Google Drive, you can search it in the search bar. Now click on the Google Drive. Now once you're in the Google Drive app, click on the connect button. Choose the account that you want to integrate with ClickUp. Just follow the steps that ClickUp will give you and click continue to proceed to integration. Now once you're done with this, your Google Drive will be integrated to your ClickUp. And that's it. That's how you integrate Google Drive with ClickUp. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.